Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Luz, and today I'll be sharing with you a delicious seasonal recipe, pumpkin and ricotta stuffed shells. It's an amazing recipe. It's creamy, it's delicious, it's rich, and I cannot wait for you to try it. So stay tuned and follow all the steps so you can make this at home. This is a scrumptious cookery. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the oven temperature while you work on preparing the filling and sauce so everything can come together quickly once the pasta is ready. Start by making the creamy sage sauce. In a medium pot, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add the minced shallot and cook, stirring occasionally for 2 to 3 minutes until the shallot softens and becomes translucent. Next, add the garlic and chiffonade sage leaves, cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes until the garlic becomes fragrant and the sage releases its flavor. Be careful not to let the garlic burn. Once the shallots and garlic are fragrant, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook the flour for 1 to 2 minutes, constantly stirring to remove any raw flour taste. This is your roux, which will help thicken the sauce. Gradually pour in the 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps from forming. Add a pinch of freshly grated nutmeg and drop in the bay leaves. Stir and cook the mixture over medium heat until it begins to thicken. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the sauce has thickened to a creamy consistency, remove the bay leaf. While your sauce is thickening, in a large bowl, combine the pumpkin puree and ricotta cheese. Stir until smooth and well incorporated. Season with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. The pumpkin brings a subtle sweetness while the ricotta adds creaminess and richness to the filling. Boil a large pot of salted water. Add the jumbo pasta shells and cook according to package instructions until they are al dente, slightly firm to the bite. Be sure not to overcook the shells as they'll cook further in the oven. Drain the shells and set aside to cool slightly so you can handle them. Grease a baking dish with a little bit of butter. Spread a thin layer of the creamy sage sauce on the bottom of the dish to prevent sticking. Take each cooked pasta shell and carefully stuff it with the pumpkin ricotta mixture, placing the filled shells in the baking dish one by one. Once all the shells are in the dish, pour the remaining creamy sage sauce evenly over the top of the stuffed shells. Be generous. This sauce is the star of the dish. Then sprinkle a good amount of grated parmesan cheese and toasted breadcrumbs over the top for a delicious crispy finish. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes or until the top is golden and bubbly. The breadcrumbs should be lightly toasted and the cheese melted. Serve and enjoy. Read the description so you can get all the details on how to make this delicious recipe. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and share this recipe or this video with your friends and family.